Hey, watch where that lands. We might get it later.
Now we're going to add the lentils to the dish. Get that cooking.
And now we're going to add brown lentils to the dish. No lentils were harmed in the making of this dish. I love it when it gets stuck in there. And now for the piece de resistance, we're going to add the curry powder to give it some extra punch and flavor.
So now we're going to throw some spinach in here. And we decided to skip the rice because, hey, that's the great thing about cooking. You do what you feel. And at this moment in time, hey, man, it smells so good we didn't need the rice.
And now we're going to add the